Mama, this is the outside of the same plot. Uh, I'm going inside. ठीक है sir. This is the entrance. It has a collapsible already placed. ठीक है sir. Now, when you go inside, this space is, if you look this side, this is approximately 20 feet. This is a small veranda you are having over here, which faces inside the compound, not outside the compound, inside the compound. And this is the kitchen, open kitchen kind of place. So this is approximately around a 9 by 8 kind of scenario. There is a common bathroom, which is again kind of okay in size, you can say. Then this is a room of approximately 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, approximately 10 by 12, or more than that, I believe, 12 by 12 kind of scenario. If this window faces inside, you will have a small kitchen garden next to it, and this will be facing on the rear side. I believe the rear plots are unsold or cannot be sold, or some reason is there, because you see a lot of trees over there. So you will have means you will not have any construction behind this. So now if you go upstairs, the stairs are neatly done. This is vitrified tiles. Staircases are marble. Fixtures are aluminium fixtures are there. Every place grills. It's a ready to move in kind of scenario. Now if you come over here, so there's again a small toilet, smaller than the one which was there downstairs. This bedroom is again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, approximately 12 by 12 kind of scenario, similar to one downstairs. This view is of outside the plot. You might have construction later on, and this side of you will face inside the plot. So this is a decent kind of view. You come out, there's quite a big veranda. You can have your drinks over here, but it still faces inside the house itself. So it still faces inside the house kind of scenario. So then you have then there is this room is again kind of smaller than the one, 12 by 10 kind of thing. The view of this room is again on the rear side of the house, which most probably you're not going to have any construction. You can see it's pretty green outside. So this is the area. If you on the other side, there's the other similar housing in the same complex, and I'll tell you where exactly. If you want to have a logistic feeling where we are exactly, you will have. Remember the place we first time saw for the person who was asking 40 lakhs over there? That's somewhere around 2-3 kilometers or 2 kilometers down that lane. This is at the end of the situation. Means you can't have further plots down this. Beyond this, I think construction is not allowed or something like that is there, because you see the plots beside this one they're pretty empty, and then you have farmlands. So I believe you will have, this is at the end of the scenario. You will have a rail line which is behind us.